If you're choosing between Riseguide and MasterClass, this isn't just course platform versus course platform. It's guided self-improvement versus inspirational learning. So, which one is actually better for personal growth? Let's break it down. Riseguide focuses on structured self-improvement. It gives you guided plans, habit-building systems, productivity tools, and actionable routines designed to help you improve areas like focus, discipline, confidence, and mindset. The experience feels more like a personal development system than entertainment. But here's the catch. The content library is smaller, and the platform is less established compared to bigger learning brands. MasterClass takes a different approach. It's built around high-quality video lessons taught by famous experts, celebrities, athletes, and business leaders. The production quality is excellent, and the platform is great for inspiration and broad learning across topics like leadership, creativity, writing, and business. The downside is practicality. Many users say MasterClass feels more motivational than transformational. You watch great content, but there's less accountability and structure for actually changing your habits. So the real difference is this. Riseguide helps you actively improve yourself, while MasterClass helps you learn from successful people. So which is better for self-improvement? Choose Riseguide if you want structured routines, accountability, and actionable personal growth. Choose MasterClass if you want high-quality lessons, inspiration, and learning from world-class experts. Bottom line, for actual self-improvement and habit change, Riseguide is usually the more practical choice. But for inspiration, creativity, and learning from top performers, MasterClass is still one of the best platforms available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.